So hi guys, welcome back again in our YouTube channel Crypto Financial Freedom. This is DK and thank you so much for your support regarding my YouTube channel and a lot of love. In this video we are going to navigate and exploring regarding a burning topic which is going on around us. The people are saying about much more regarding pulse paired friend. This is pulse paired. So what is this friend? Is it legit or really something good one? So this topic is burning right now because they person are claiming that this is pulse paired first ever IDO platform for pulse chain. Okay, so we would deep dive today regarding this one. Along with this we would also go through that what is the reason and why hex price is regularly going to be dumped, because within 24 hours it took a rise near about $0.38, but again it dumped. So there are so many whales and dumpers who are cashing out much more and filling back. They are selling in the high and buying in the low. Okay, so what should we do right now? Just bought some and then they dumped friends and dumped and dumped and dumped. So what would be, and also when the pulse chain is going to be launched? Okay, so let's focus here. Also update, new cipher is mooning friend. It is almost 10x within friend 24 hours friend. It is almost 10x. You can see, so a lot of information here you would like to get. The price was about 0.0252 to around here 0.225. so this much huge pump here cause of any different their event or what maybe you can go through. Also some of the top trending tokens are here. So let's switch the topic. Pulsepad. So friend, this is the website I just search because some new YouTubers are creating videos as well as they are tweeting regarding this one, but today we would talk about this one, whether it is good or not, is merit and demerit, because they are saying they are the first ever launch pad on Pulse. So what is pad actually? Pad is a launch pad from where a token or the different kind of the project are going to be launched as a platform. You can say they are the service provider, just like Polka Starter, by BSC pad, ADA pad, Solana pad, so many pad and starter are there, but they just introduce when the platform become ready and become popular, but in still our actually platform is not ready. So this is looking a scammy friend, Pulsepad. So this is their website, how it works, statistics, features, about us, social media, apply for IDO. When you would click over here, you would get such kind of the page like this form where your project name and what about this one and project status, idea or whatever this is. Have you already raised fund? Yes, minus. Yes, like this fund. So it is meaningless right now here friend, because who would like to launch when your main network didn't launch in still friend. Okay, so I think they are the people who want to take the who want to take the profit from the scenario, because of the totally new and the hype is much more for hex and pulse chain. So the people are doing the same, bringing you the future of Ethereum today. So they people are claiming here. On the other hand, on the one hand they are saying that this is the, on the one hand they are saying first IDO platform for Pulse chain, but here they are saying this is their punchline, bringing you the future of Ethereum. So it could also be the future of Ethereum, maybe Pulse chain, no doubt, but this idea they just copied from Richard Heart, but I don't think so that behind this the team is Richard Heart fan. Okay, PulsePad is the premier IDO platform for projects building on Pulse chain, a new Ethereum sister chain designed to provide an idealist environment for building powerful new applications while simultaneously reducing the load of the Ethereum network. Okay, so this is just copied content, I think. High quality project, no doubt, just like they compared here, backed by some of behind ultra successful project, just like BSC pad, Tron pad, ADA pad, KCC pad, and ETH pad, and also much more. PulsePad is set to expand on the winning formula. Yeah, it may be friend, but right now it's look not so professional and so trustworthy. How it work? You can go through this website, friend. IDO token price and vesting information. So public sale price, it is TBA. Maximum token supply, they did not so mention here, friend. Circulating supply at listing, marketing capitalization, TBA, tokenomics, they even did not display anything, friend, nothing. So how can we judge that it is a very good project or it can be very trustworthy and work for Pulse? Because Pulse is totally decentralized, and not totally, although the owner is this one. Likewise, Ethereum owner is Vitalik. So we can also not say that it is 100% decentralized, because only the single cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, is only 100% decentralized. On the other hand, every major crypto or small crypto are backed by their owners, their CEO, just like BNB, CZ, okay, and so on, so many. So we don't think so that it is very transparent, and they are just want to take the advantage of the hype of Pulse chain as well as Hex, because they have seen the community hexicans and the Pulse lovers. They are in millions now. So don't be stagger fans. PulsePad tires. So from these are actually Pulse Explorer, Pulse Leader, Pulse Visionary. TBA 3 years before allocation round open, and this is whitelist. So friend, have you ever seen and heard regarding whitelisting process? So simple. It's never be possible for any IDO, friend. I didn't seen such a IDO which would allow you to just tweet, like, comment and retweet, and you would be able to participate. So this one is not. Pulse Explorer, staking eligibility, guaranteed allocation and pool weight, friend. This is just a scam and nothing else, friend. Yeah, looking totally scam here. What makes PulsePad unique? The interface is good, but they had just copied the maximum content from Pulse and Hex and also other blockchain projects. Here they are just claiming that they are backed by the full force of the BSC pad marketing department. How can we verify? If they are so trustworthy and so generous, they must display their team here, but they did not mention here any team member. They did not talk about that. Incubator program, they are saying like this, but I don't think so. they would do, because in the last 2 or 3 months back, when the Solana price was under $20 at that time, I just invested in Solpaid, and that was the scam, friend. So stay away from this one, because until the Pulse chain is not launching, we cannot expect a better idea for that one, friend, because Pulse is just like a infancy stage, and the baby is not came out till time. Okay, friends, so it would take time, and the baby, when the Pulse chain launch, then it would start again to creating many platforms like BSC paid and different kind of the starter. But these are the person who want to draw the attention of the people, so that the people who miss the opportunity to sacrifice in Pulse chain, as well as they could not early enter in hacks, so they people want to draw their attention to grab the opportunity by investing in this one, and they could scam a lot. I may also wrong, friend, but 90% I'm damn sure that it may be a scam, friend. So stay away from there. It is totally looking pampa mental actually, because Richard Hart is also not supporting, and also not any statement from him and OG's, friend. I would also tweet to Richard Hart regarding this content. So let's see what happened. Okay, so this is all about that. Apply for IDO, they are focusing much more over here. And also now I will show you their social media, that is Medium. This is totally blank here, totally blank. Okay, another, we can see this is their support, this is their ANN, this is their Telegram. So let me display their Telegram to you, friend. This is their Telegram. There are 20,908 members over there, including which you can see, friend, including which how many people are active. So right now we can't find it, but actually they did not allow to chat. So it is very easy for anyone to create any group, or it is not a group, it is a channel actually, and they are not allowing, so that because people would answer, and people would ask a lot of things, and they would not be able to query give the answer. That's why. So whatever they are just saying here, a lot of things, go and do that, whitelist process is there. Okay, so also let me click over here, viral sweep. Okay, friend, I have clicked over there, and let's see what happened. Yeah, the window is opening. No, this is not the window. This is also not the window. How many windows has opened, friend? It did not work actually. Oh god, I don't think so. It is trusty, friend. So friend, this is the form actually, PulsePad. This logo also they copied from Pulse chain actually, friend. You can see everything. PulsePad IDO whitelist, AdaPad plus VLX pad, BSC, this StonePad. Everything they mentioned there. From the founder of Hex, you can see here, friend. They are claiming like this, but I don't think so. They people are saying, you can see, friend, from the founder of Hex, one of the best performing asset of all time, Richard Hart brings a new paradigm to the crypto world with Pulse chain, shaping up to be the most anticipated chain release of the year. Pulse chain provides So everything whatever is mentioned over here is about pulse chain, but that person who is hosting this pulse pad and claiming that it is a pulse chain IDO is not telling anything about that comparable result. He also showed regarding the past result of Hex. Hex went 10,000x from its launch price. ETH up 14,000x from its launch price. Pulse coming soon, raising the bar to new heights and showing the world our versatility. Bluezilla presents to you PulsePad. Bluezilla. I have heard this name. So more information coming soon. Stay tuned. Official links. These are email ID. Just a minute, friend. Let me try something. What's happening here? But friend, if you want to take a risk in a scam, so please be alert. Be much more alert, friend, because I have just caught in many scams and I have fed up. I would not participate in any of them, friends. I have never seen such a form for whitelisting. Those people are just inviting to each and every platform from BSC, from Velas and from ADA ETH KCC Tron So it is looking 100% scamming to me, friend. Although I would try here, but you can use as BSC address over here, okay, and also add address over here, Ethereum address over here, Tron address over here if you want to participate from that. And if you whitelist, then you can do, but it is my advice to all of you, friend, please do not participate in much more amount if you get whitelisted, because it is looking scammy to me. What do you think regarding this? You can comment, friend, because whatever I just seen is not looking so good here. Because the followers can be, explore and by adding promotions and marketing. It is not much more difficult task to increase the members, friend. This person also promoted actually this video, but we would like to rectify that how much follower he is having. So this one is a big one, or it may be also the paid promotion for that potential 100x altcoin gem. You need to see, get PulsePad first. Okay, so this may be the paid promotion, friend. Also it is another here, don't miss this. It is also YouTube by the different one. Yeah, Sir Crypto 1000 is selling. Actually Sir Crypto is also promoting many of such projects which become a scam, because I also participated in the last year and scammed a lot, friend. So be cautious and do your own research before doing these all, because it is much more risky, friend, much more risky. But if you want to still participate, just come with only maximum 5% of your portfolio here which you want to lose actually. Okay friends, this one also promoted. So I am trying to find out here how many people are promoting this person. $100x he is saying that, friends. Okay friend, so he is saying 100x actually about this one, but you can go through there, but according to me it's not so trustworthy friend, but I may also be wrong. But let's chat with Richard Hurt. So over here, okay, I am directly writing to him. Hi sir, many of the YouTubers and people are talking about PulsePad and they are claiming that that is related to PulseChain and you. So please confirm about it. This is the web and Twitter. Okay friends, so here now I would copy that to him, so whenever he has free time, Richard Hurt sir can visit, and also I would just and also I would like to connect here with some of the OGs, Hex and Pulse, so that the people can also do something. Okay friend, you also find out the actual information regarding this, that what is this friend and how they are doing. That's it friend. Okay, so it's over friend. Now let's switch to PulseChain. So PulseChain is going to launch I think very soon, as a snapshot would be over within this week or next week, as from some of the sources I came to know that it is going to be happen within this 15 days, and this may be the reason that the price is going to be dump much more, because of the many people are just cashing out and dump friend. Oh god, it is dumping so much friend. 10% is dumped today again. If we talk regarding 7 days, you can go through here. So the price is not now taking the support and it is declining day by day, but the bottom price in 7 days was 0.34. you can see here around 0.345 it was the bottom price. You can see 348 345 near about that. But if you talk regarding 1 month, the price for bottom is the same friend, is the same. So here was the major support here before 1 week back, but right now 0.34 is the major support. Is if this is breaking the support here, this one, then the price could go much more different, which would be very terrible for Hex actually. The price could even go to 0.2. But let's talk regarding trading view. The price just free fall from there, friend. Oh god, dumpers are dumping the price. The price went free fall from here. This one, friend. Price tried to support, but here rejected and dropped down. Again some people bought, and dumpers and wheels again dump the price and cash out actually. And when the people bought some bags again. So friend, these 15 days are very terrible for hacks actually. Nothing can be said for Persian, but for hacks this is very terrible time, because people are losing their patience. New people are buying and the old whales and the big beggars are selling. So the people who just bought and take the entry in all-time high, you can understand they are in such a loss, friend. And the people who did not extract even, because the price went 0.51 before 26 days back. So who just got entry in such price for hacks, their price could also go for 50% minus if it continuously dumping the same, because it is again trying to touch 0.34, and once the bottom would be low from there 0.34, it would be free fall from there and could reach to 0.3 to 0.2 within this week or next week if there is not good support by the buyers, because whales are cashing out so much and they are not buying much more. This is the reason, friend. This is the reason. 1 minute chart, let me see. In 1 minute chart some people are buying actually, but this is very big one, and this is very big one. So many people sold out a lot. I would like to try to find out that. So click over here. While clicking over here, you would redirect here and can see the price, because the price was $0.37, but right now price is 0.35 around. So it is almost 8% minus here, and also total value lock is minus here because of the people cash out, but trading volume is increased here. 31% trading volume increased here, friends, and that's why the people are providing liquidity and earning a lot of money. 90 million volume in 7 days, 67,000 fee in dollars. And so the people who are such a people, we can find out very easy, friend. Oh, this one 54,000 USD, friend, he cash out actually. This man cash out, but I would show you a big whale here. Who did this? Who did this one? This person bought very good amount. Can't believe, just click over here and you would see here. Click over here, and after that you can find it out the every information regarding this wallet, friend. This person just bought 49, I'm sorry, this person is last three transactions. Why not showing the transaction of that? This is the account address and this is the swap address. I need this one, no? Swap 408 worth Ethereum having $1,55,000, and he bought here, friend, 42,38,760 hacks. Got it, friend? So let's deep dive into this wallet. That person is doing a lot of game, friend. A lot of game he is doing here. But actually he is doing from different wallets. Okay. So ERC20 fake phishing site he is using, friend. This one. Phishing sites they are using here. Many. This is bot. My bot is working here, friend. Okay, so many bots are also now take enter here. This person just cash out. This is the same wallet address. You can see, friend. This person first of all cash out and it again bought. Okay, and this one also big amount. BB19 BB same wallet address. This is, friend. This one is the same wallet address. This person swap hex for USDC. He cashed out here 1.55 million. Okay, so a big game is going to be happen and big people are creating much money over here and they are destroying hex market. They are destroying hex market. It is not good for hex, friend, because the price is trying to take out for upside for the retail customer investment, but big beggars and big holders are cashing out, so the price is dropping day by day. I have already told you regarding my last video that this week is going to be very and historical, and also next week. So friends, just be focused everything, and there's maybe happen anything, friend. Okay, you can also see the price 0.3 very easy within tomorrow if continuously they are selling and cashing out. So it is not any financial advice, but you can do, friend. Until a snapshot, people are just trying to hold out for their ERC20 wallet or staking, or it's up to you. You want to stake or what? But in such a case, if you don't know regarding much more trading, so you can just stake and just keep sleep, calm sleep. Okay, friend. And I think the condition would be recovered very soon, as the statement by Richard Heart is coming. But let's see what the statement by Richard 23 minutes back. Only logo Wells by Hex worth 1.2 million. Richard Heart is saying here that Wells by 1.2 million, but he is not saying here that how much money the people are cashing out. Okay, so in this here you can see the comment, friend. Pulse pad. This is, so the scam is going on, friend. The limited private sale for pulse pad started. This idea visit sale buy pulse pad, price is this one token. So it is a scam, friend. It is going to be a scam. Okay, you can see, friend. I already told you. The people are also saying here, because, friend, I was in early in crypto 2016 and caught in many scam, friend, and I lost a lot of money and learned a lot of things. So I would never like to have such experience to you guys, friend, because I'm telling you. Okay, so learn from that, because this is our hard money, yeah, and we are working for our family and creating good future. So don't lose your hard money, friend. This guy is short. Okay, so let's me this one. Click. I was expecting much more for hacks regarding this one, but if the sub situation continuously dumping happen, it would not be very easy for hacks to reach $1 within November. Yeah friend, it is a very scared environment they are creating, these bloody whales actually. Okay, so click over here what he is saying. International business time. Whales buy hacks worth 1.2 million in 24 hours. Is price doubling on the cards? So friend, according to this news, the price must be double. But what is this? The price is going to be dumped. Continuously dumped, friend. So I have already shown you this transaction. So this is the chart actually regarding hacks. What happened? Hex price 31st January 20, the price was 0.00011. 20 March 20, the price was 0.00021. 8 March 20, the price was 0.0046. Okay, means double from here in just 48 days. Okay, and from there it double, and then it double, and then it double from here, and from here it double, from here it double, Feb, in Feb, and then Feb to April it double, from June it double, July it's double, and September it double. So October it would be dumped, and November till 21 November the price would be exploded to around 0.95 to $1, friend. This chart displays the information regarding that. Okay, but in the present time, this is the time to buy the dip. Okay, so thank you very much. See you in the next video, friends. I am bringing daily good quality content to all of you, so please do not forget to like and subscribe, because many of the people did not subscribe the channel. So please subscribe, because regularly I am providing you a very good information that why, who dumped the price, and when the price would be for hacks, and also upcoming update regarding Pulse Chain. And today I am telling you one of the scam is going to be happen named PulsePaid, so stay away from that, friend. And also many airdrop tokens just like Coinbase NFTs, and also DAPA, and also much more. I also shown here in this video regarding the Pulse Chain testnet, how you can use. And thank you so much for this video, that hex is going to be 4.49 within this year. Okay, I hope you enjoyed well. And also this one hex dip before pump, big pump. So thank you so much, friend. And in this video my target is, friend, 75 like. Okay, and friend, I expecting 100 subscriber for this video within these 7 days, friend. Thank you very much for your support, friend, because I am growing and I am the new member for hacks and Pulse Chain, since I just trying to learn out a lot of things for different kind of OGs, and Richard Heart, who is our financial guru, and I am following much more. I like these people much more, respect those guys, and also love my community very much. So thank you very much, friends, and wish you all the best for your family, and giving them a very good lifestyle in this new year or next year. And we would be financial free within 2022 with our massive pump of hacks as well as Pulse Chain. Thank you so much for being with us. This is DK, and do not forget again to subscribe YouTube channel and follow me using Twitter and Telegram, friend, because you would get an instant notification and update regarding hacks and pulse chain, as well as what is going on in cryptocurrency industry and how you can grab the big rewards and airdrops like DYDX, Uniswap, 1inch if you missed the chance in the last. Thank you so much.